enda igatwa
ona watiko migata
na ndege kwera ona soka kora mutu na dikikambo kole mundu ndia kwindo cia kia ni ati niko kwetha kathoni ni okumubikia
So babe, ni udara kwira atiriri, I'm tired. No igwa, ni demo no feel. There's no way men of my age right now, babe, imagine I'm turning 33 next year, and up to this moment we are married for 7 years na tutiri turagia mwana.
Ni ndina makatha tureshire ni ndiraigwa atia.
But is that my problem, babe? Todo we were supposed right now we are supposed at least to ukona mwana at least osio.
Esukuru. I know. Tudite kwa gynecologist atatu. Itigo.
Yes.
Tudite kuri mapasta ta ireginya tukarutamburi tukaruta.
No, it's not working. Correct, if it's not working, then I think it's the best thing. The best that is you we break this relationship. So, I can't.
Ureda kujira ukenyo no wodo genyenda au wodi.
Wali mura kigwere I've given you enough love. Yani nigwedete muno wali nigwedete na nijuye. No ruguri atiri wali mu. Nigotu gitura kuta brother na sister surely. Wali mu you are my wife and it's your responsibility to give birth.
It is my responsibility to give birth.
Yes.
But remember, it is also your responsibility to give seed.
But I've tried. I do my best. I do my best to remove.
If there was something wrong,
am I the problem?
Neither of us is the problem.
How do I know? How do I know if you are the problem?
To the fertility treatment, give it to TBH.
To be sincere, me I can't. To be sincere, I can't.
Why?
Itagi kihota. Itagi karago. When you have given you enough time.
I've given you. Waigo, diregete guguciarira. Itigo. Diregete. Nitugerete maita nona. Itigo. Sindio waigwa. I have miscarried twice. You think that is something that I have? No, Asha dikiredia otorete o umeshinda ukini hii wiki yote umeshinda ukinipigia kelele. I have miscarried twice. Umerudi job mimi na mimi da igetiwa na keha ya kumiscarry my.
Ruwe katire wairimu, uwe katire ri. Wewe ugothie wira waku na wana ugathie wira waku ri wewe uthio ikane na kuugo. If you can even look for someone else because for me as for me ndikaita na mwana. At least nitafuta okay, wairimu de wira niguo. Wewe wira niguo. Hizi pesa tunathokoma ni siaki. What is it for? What is it for then?
Mara gukinya waigwa.
Yes. What is best ni siaki ndikira drag to come. I would rather go stay at home.
Haina hada utaranyita waigwa.
Hariko wairimu.
Tikurega.
Kani kurega wairimu.
Waigwa ni no ndege gukwira mwana kumarira tuonanira waigwa. Tuko nie ngoretwo ngikwarira uhoro wa kuria mwana.
Yes.
From the beginning.
Yes.
Gikwira nie remember when we were dating gikwira ni ndienda muthako ndenda mundu tuguikarana ni yake tugie ciana na tukiagrisha ni ira tugukorwo nacio and we even started naming our kids. I have taken care of myself for igwa etigu.
Let me ask you a question wairimu okay hena nyumba turaka niguo
yes.
Na thoro muthenyo mundu gakinya gwikana ukwiri na tukuithwe riri tugatigire indo icio citu iretira ikiana ngo ni andu. I would rather look for someone else, someone who yeah. You know we are looking for the future.
Okay, fine.
Here's the thing.
Hena hada utaranyita waigwa.
Hariku.
We murakanwa ni ndi murakari.
Yes.
Ruo rwaku ti ruo rwakwa.
Yes.
Itigo.
Yes.
Umenye ruo ruria wena ruo ri ni gukuja kwirwa weta muthuri ndururagia mwana.
Exactly. Imagine
ruo rwakwa nie ndina miaka 30 nie waigwa.
Yes.
Ndiragia mwana. Which means my body with the time dikota kugea mwana.
Yes.
Ndureshira ucio ni undu ningi.
Toko niko ikinyine menopause bere ya miaka yaku basi. That could be the problem. No, I'm not ashamed of myself. That could be the reality. What if kwa nyuko kwena thina basi. Let's assume now what if kwa nyuko kwena thina. Let's assume that because the first time ukigia ball nego ukashika mimba ukamiscarry nego little yake the same. What happens to the third time? What if you miscarry that time and I lose you? Me, I don't want you to die. At least nitera kukona okugo ogithioka ugo ukenete. You know, we can still be friends even after this. Doesn't mean that because at the root tiragia mwana there is no life after this. What if me and you we were not meant to be? What if
there are so many other options for having kids?
Like
we can adopt.
I want a kid of my own blood, bwana.
We can adopt, not with the surrogate if agekoro ni mwiri wakwa thina. Itigo.
I don't
not
want
to get
that.
The gynecologist.
We have tried enough. tutumete bia sigana ugoba de
you are giving up on me and our marriage.
I'm not giving up.
No,
I'm
that
not
is
giving
what
up.
you're doing.
No, I'm not giving
no,
up.
That is
I'm not giving. I'm telling you, you can try with somebody else. You can try. No, gena mudoge.
Kayugere tina mudoge.
Me digeret.
No,
actually,
I'm to document it.
I've reserved myself for you so much.
Why are you so open to me trying it with somebody?
Because I can see your stress. Nidona, you are stressed. Actually, you are stressed. The fact that we were miaka that ni tukine mtumia mukuru ruraga mwana.
Am I stressed enough to be unfaithful? No.
No, I'm also not unfaithful. Why are
you so open to this happening?
Because I can see your struggles, bwana. Now the struggles zako.
Okurigana nore oranyona. If I am not a mother, I am not worthy of you.
No,
that is what you are saying.
Actually, no. Actually, if there's
okurigana nawe, the fact that I have miscarried maita mere, mwiri wakwa kirega tuge nitakurega mwana.
Yes.
Itekwenda waigua.
Yes.
Garira kagia depression getwara ginya thibitari waigua. Gakomitwo. Kurigana nawe. Regardless of what I go through, as long as I am not a mother, I am not worthy.
Let me tell you. I value in my life apart from my mother is you. If
then
there's one woman that I value,
me?
Because I can see it's not okay. It's not okay. Imagine your friends. Imagine your friends. Like Natalia ena siana ida tonego. You are of the same age.
Urenda kuthi kwa Natalia basi. Todo wene wera hanata gusharira mwana uri urenda.
No. Ndira kuthi kwa Natalia. Niko ndira kwira atiri wairimu. Why don't? If we've given it tumejaribu for so long. We've given it a try for so long. Tumejaribu for so long. Nitokorire. We are old.
Okay.
We are old. And we need a child.
And I have told you we can try adoption, not to get a giveaway.
Yes. Deda modo wakiria.
Morega.
Iko gamuno mam. Niki. We are having a small discussion na my wife.
Tukiruni atiriri. Gutaki yondo ndirigwa ndi ya baba secretary waku.
Ni akurikiri by the way ni akoire basi cia gumita akwe.
No ndagwa ndikuthie.
Niki riu mami.
Tonginya amenye kira murandige na ndiki.
Riu mami
mukita kurete mbara guku.
Riu ona tukoragia na ni gutu.
Ndeigwa tiga gutinda ukinjira ndatuiria murambe ona ndikwenda update. Uti mundu taramenya kira muruga. No ndirenda kuga atiriri. Uguo ndeigwa ugari uguo niguo kwagirire. Mundu ni athi kwao. Muna ugitura na nyumba.
Riu mami ona niguo ndirona kwagirire tondu riu wi.
Waigua.
No, it's a fact. Why the money fact.
Fata wake ni.
The kitu aliyema. No mami tutigeke muigata oguo. You know she has been away for 7 years.
Arenda ingatwa.
Ona watiko muigata
to. Na ndege kwere ona soka kora mutu na dikikamba kole. Mundu ndia kwindo cia kia ni ati. Nite niko kwa kathoni ni okumubikia.
Dukagere kwa kitu disrespectful kwa mami tafadhali. You better attack me but
I'm
not my mom.
I'm not even going to talk to your mother waigua. Agikoro ni ukinyete handu you and your mother mugaikara thikinya mukeethera muiretu.
Ni mami no tige tu mumuni arona.
I want the
best. Ena akiri ni arona ke.
No.
You deserve a child. Which is not happening.
So you deserve a child.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
With Gathoni.
No, let me now be open. Now let me be open and clear.
Ona ndokajarire waigua thikireria.
Thikireria ugwera unani. I want a child. Actually, to be precise.
You know what?
Someone else is expected.
Wait, I have given you my blessings. No, menye nyobera turakira na million issue. Asha, if I am going away with nothing.
Yeah, no, you're not going away with
because
nothing.
Because at this point, what are you going to do?
Yes. You know she's my mom.
Mugondora wake to nyumba no ratindo kiario kaje. No wa pesa nyingi ukira milioni 3.
Yeah.
Yes, milioni 3. Darutira 3 akiruta 3.
No.
I have the receipts.
Okay. So what do you want?
I want half of everything. No, I want everything that had.
I'll just give you back my money, mom. Tokomuzageria biasi yake. Wewe kina doge. You shall give me your money.
Nene kotali.
we shall give you money.
Because you have gotten to the point of disrespecting me enough, you cannot even defend me in front of your mother. Which is why you are so okay with me.
Defend for so long. Go defend for so long.
For
7 good years. 7 good years.
What do you think I've been selling people?
My son.
Yes.
Mutumia onoraria touri.
No make ya. No muigwane nake.
I have learned from your mother. Dad yakurikana no renda thoma kuma your mother.
My mom is a very cool woman.
Oh, very cool woman.
Dad, I actually like her.
So
she has mentored me.
I'm a mentor. When I had two of my miscarriages, when she came to me, akejeraga, no, you know what? Gwishira ni undu wega wate mwana. Tondu kurigana no ria ndirona ri, we nduri mutumia wega.
No, don't touch me. Wewe ukiri mwakoriko. Kavito akwendera miaka 4 years. And since then, he has been brought up by this woman.
Okay.
She's my
fine.
Changu cha moyo.
Fine.
Ikatiriri ikatiriri, please Okay, this is my business. This is my office Kindly
leave. Ini yake
pesa simu zake.
Please go.
Asha, before I leave, let us agree.
Yeah.
Na haha ndukarie mami, please. Niguhete gitio miaka mugwanja ndikwariirie sija kutukana.
Mami pia tuko kirada kuga. Okay, sawa, address me.
I am talking. Tutaranire. Milioni 3 cia mugunda.
Ni sawa.
Tiguo. Haya. Hena hende your mom ari thibitari. Etiguo. Ari na milioni 3 ngiruta 2, that is 5.
Yes.
Etiguo.
Yes.
Wabici ino nini ndagwakiire nini ndagwetheire wabici na
Icio cio ndabokometa wego.
Kila mutumia ayo.
Amka. Get out. Unakuthi kidogo gucokeria for information. Nothing.
You get that digari cia kwanyu.
You can assume. If you can shout at my mom, then you are going with nothing here. Actually, get out.
Mwangi, how are you?
Get out.
Yes, I am doing well.
Call him.
Nura rikana hari na investment ya 18 ira yari ya shipment cia wira wa waigwa. Yes, the 18 million for the shipment cia wira wa waigwa. Dada kuhiga account yo. Ucoke wira uria wari uhinguro wa KAGURE ri wa milioni 6 ri account icio ninye ndirenda gucihinga arafu angikorwo hena mbeca wikitie account ni ya waigwa ndirenda ucicokie. Yes, I know his account will be left with nothing. Yes, I know he filed for bankruptcy last month. I don't care. You just do what you will. Kindly close his accounts, close his mother's accounts na wira wake uhinge. Gutira makanene jo ni aroete kiria donia milioni 3.
Nawe ndenda kwira atiriri. Hapana.
Ereta kiria ta collateral, that is okay. Aya ni sawa. Kindly horira rere. Horira mwaniki. Yes, horira mwaniki. Umwire aigire nyumba yo. Kindo kiria giothe ndagurite ni waririkana tukiandika prenup. Indo ciothe ucio please kindly. No thie kwa KAGURE please.
Kwao.
Indo iria ndagurite.
Kwao.
Ucio.
Tamwirete riri.
Kindo giothe ritwari akwa yes kindly. Yes. Sawa. Thank you so much.
Bwana Mwangi, wait. Ngoja. Hello, Bwana Mwangi.
Ngoja.
Just try and do that. You know me very well.
Here's the thing.
You know me well.
Forgot. Why what?
You know me well, Mwangi. Just try and do that.
Why what? This is the part where you learn. The reason as to why I am a lawyer is because I work with contracts. And you forget every single dime of mine you signed up for it.
And this
that
is the part
where agree as long
you.
as we are not married to each other, that was not a gift. And it was not a donation, which means you owe me every single freaking cent that I have given you.
And this is the point where
you
die.
Oh, by the way, actually, no.
Why do you?
Actually, Ekatiriri.
Tiga mathirete ne.
Ona wakila moshi wega leo. Ukifika nyumbani vizuri. Actually get out of my office.
Actually, I have been paying. I have been paying for you.
Get out.
Toka nje. Toka nje, get out.
I will slap you for the first time.
Get out. Wairima. Out. Nje.
You will pay for this. You will pay for this. Ogo tigara tare na kendo. Ginya office yeno. Ogo tigara tare na kendo. No igwa. No tumio se na gociarira. Bete we gatho ni ucio ena thuri acio. Atato hena umwe wa gifera, hena mungi wa kiria wa ko. No wako.
No arekia.
Enye mo guciarira kana kena mukingo.
Hatire thina. I love HIV and AIDS. Actually, that one is free. That one is free.
Oh really?
That was looking on the free. Actually, imagine I'll be given a special diet. And that I'll have a doctor on follow-up. Oh!
I have built you from nothing.
Momora.
I will take away every single investment that I have.
You're free to do so. You're free to do so. You're free to do so. Tutaona. Yeah. We shall see.
We shall see.
Yes. Nonsense. Ora mamu ori dimuonaga wega. Actually I fear that woman.
In fact ona family yo ni ndarigirwo atiriri wanyita nayo naoku. Ungethire mundu mubonoku.
Kumbe na ngai yajehereria kiundu kirariuke mbere. No he mbeca.
Ni mbetha ate. Tunyongere ikinye 40. Ndikiria thimu-ini. Ndatiga ebe igikiro mwaki.
Sawa.
Thank you.
Tina ndike wira kurutaga hoguo. Ngiuragira Mr. Mwangi.
Wa kaire tu takamenyere gatigatunyarire.
Igatigatunyarire.
Na gatikathake nani. Mundu ni igakibonokothe akauga ngukundirwo nawe.
Yeah. Hello Mr. Mwangi. Please don't listen to that woman, eh? She has just gone wild and mad right now. Actually unatiga nyunagira murango wa office na avuja ginya laptops yakwa cia wira. So I don't know how I recover those documents. Yes please. No, she's a lawyer, yes, lakini hiyo sikushtue. Of course money talks. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wagona. Ni sawa. Aleha. Haya.
Ndio nakwambia sijaongea. Nasema kijana wangu alioa msichana hapo. Ni huyu msichana simpendi. Huyu msichana mimi nataka hiyo marriage yao kiiko kiu kiao kitharare thara.
Tondu ndumwendete.
Ndimwendete na ndikwenda kuga kwa kucia. Ndikwenda guciaro kindu ni.
Wagona. No mwanaka wake. Haya. Marenda kumenyora data.
Ndenda ruga atiriri. Mwanake ucio aragurire muiretu ucio na ni muiretu ucio na family yao ndimiendete. Ni kwoguo ri, ni muiretu ucio ni tiwero ka mugo wakwa. Tiwero ka mugo wakwa ona akoro mwanake ni aramwenda. Ni riu ngwenda atiriri tondu no arabikire na no arabikire ngiregaga ri. Ndikwenda magaciara kindu kuni.
Aikara kono ndagaciara kindu.
Nginya mwanake wakwa akanoga. Anoga ri amwingate.
Ndagaciara kindu. Kindu atia.
Ndakae gukagia mwana kuu gwako.
Na ikare kuu.
Ni ikare kuu nginya manoganie. Na mbeca ciake ituike cia murio wakwa.
Mbeca cia muiretu ituike cia murio wako. Ogo niguo renda.
Ogo niguo ndirenda.
Na ndio yake menya hena thogora. Ndio gutiro tutekaga. Eyo. Haya.
Moga thungura. Ndaiga ta moga thungura.
Acha.
Moga ndu.
Kwa mwana kesho hakuna shoge. Mwana shoge ndio kwa. tiga mwanake uyu
ndina anake ari na muiritu
mwanake ucio
uriku
ni marori horo wake
uriku
ucio ungi
ari hona arutaga wira America
arenda mugayane
ati tugayane mutugane na
arenda mugayane
asa uyundu
uyu uraneo uyu muti uri na mutimia urenda maundu make mutimia ndakagĩa mwana ucio ni waku ni magwĩka ũguo no nawe uri America mwanengere
asa mere mugi undu ungi ucio akindithagio
mateagwo mugi undu ungi ni umugaga ni ukuhota kana ndukuhota
tugwika uguo ndureke mambe manjĩtie kĩndũ kwamba kũbota nĩgetha ndĩbanga bange nĩgetha ndĩbange sinĩgũke
Asha nĩ arega ugatiriri ugiteithie ni rwanyariri
wanipei kitu
aiko badukoto una umatiota guteithia
itete kwa hiyo muda itete tu
nike wena kio
ndina riri ndina mburi ithatu na kuri na ya buraki ndina mburi ithatu kwina ya buraki imwe
ya buraki
ini hari ya buraki
ina gacani
ona kamwe ona hatiri eigite
ni moigwa sawa sawa iyo no toyo iki
kiki
besha ile sha mutimia wa mwanakere ogeane mitoiga Mary imukareaga na basha omweri
sawa kindu obatakire towe umeki sure ni aranengera ama ni ndirane
ni agukunengera
ni uguo ni ndi mwihokeku
no hari kaundu kage
kariku
kaundu kau kage
kariku
ni tondu mutimio wake ali oku aigua ni mutimio wa mwanake ndari oku ni mutimio ucio we umenye uhakikishe uhakikishe ati ni aliukaga ku kwako
tukwenda natagikwa na mutongo aliukaga bau
na wona oka wona oka ku ukamurugera
kamuheke
okire rugite na mwanake waku akaria ku wahitania rĩu ndeto ndĩgũkwarĩca
nĩngũrũnga bau rĩu nĩ kwega nĩngũrũnga
wanyita no mũico wa mweri
kabasa
tũramenyane sawa nomenya nĩ mbeca cigana mũtumia ũcio nomenya heagwo mbeca cigana heagwo ngiri 150 anakwenda ya mwena uguo 70 mai ũgekĩra mbaca o mweri nĩ arĩkũheaga
kayona wewe wĩ mũhikani tondũ wĩna mbete
ĩni kana ũrenda atĩa
wangwana nĩ makorwo me mahikani
ĩni nĩ mahikanagia ũreciria
rĩu nĩ ũguo nĩndarĩkia
no ũreciria atĩa
asa gũtirĩ
ĩno rĩ ona ndekĩrĩte tene ndĩona no twĩcirie ũndũ ũngĩ